Hi families, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. Hope you're doing well. Guys, today I just want to show you how you can fix short hair on your hair just to change the look and to prevent your edges. And I'm using SIBELL hair. Is synthetic, semi-synthetic. So I'm using one pack just to achieve this lovely hairstyle. So first thing guys, you need to cornrow your hair. When you're done with the cornrow, so see what I'm doing here. You can use needle to secure the remaining one, as in the tip, or you can also use your crochet pin to secure it. So guys, if you are fixing any short hair, see what I'm doing here. You need to cut it out because there's no way you can do short hair. You can't fly it over, as in you cannot cross it, you cannot flip it over. So you need to cut it. So when you are done with the cutting, you begin to fix the hair just the way I'm doing it from the back. And if you want it very flat, it depends on the type of short hair you're fixing. So but this particular I'm fixing is not that very short one because I'm not trimming it. So it's just to give it a small coil at the tip. So we are not trimming it. This is how we want the hair. That is how my clients want the hair to be. So guys, just keep watching from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. So guys, give this video a very big thumbs up, and please, I'm begging you, just share this video to your loved ones, share to your friends and family. Just do me the favor, just share it to your friends and family. So guys, let's continue with the tutorial for the day. As you can see, you have to be very careful when you are doing fixing. So you have to be very careful not to choke your client's needle. So you have to be very careful. And when you're fixing, you take it, you start from the down part of the cornrow, as you can see the way I place it. So guys, can you see? So you have to be very careful while fixing it. And it's even advisable for you to use new needle for a client, or you sterilize your needle before using it for another client in case you don't want to use new needle. Please do make sure you note that. So can you see the way I'm tacking it? When you get to the edge, can you see? Make sure you tie it very well because you have to cut it. You cannot turn it to the other side. If not, the hair will not lap the way you want it. So you have to cut it out. Then you continue the sewing. Can you see? So when you cut it out, you continue. See the way I start it from another side. You pass the needle and thread to the other one that you want to fix the weave on. Then you continue again. And when you're tacking the first one, make sure you tack it very well so that it will hold firm. And guys, please, whenever you are fixing, don't make the cornrow too tight. Don't make it too tight. Just do it in a normal way so that your clients or your relatives or anybody you're fixing the hair for will not feel any pain. So that is how we keep going with this lovely hairstyle. And the hair we use is a SIBELL hair. Is semi-human hair, not original human hair. Can you see how her edges is? So that is how you keep going. So guys, for this particular, I'm just doing it half parts, not really half parts, in between half parts and a center part. So when you're doing half parts, or yes, I'm right, when you're doing half parts, one part will be higher than other. Please note that. So when you're doing half parts, one side will be higher a little bit than the other. So now when you get to the front aspects, as you can see the way I'm doing it, you have to be very very careful, mostly when you get to this stage. So, and if you cannot be very careful while fixing it, just use the back of your needle to do this particular area. Can you see the way I chook the needle inside? Then you have to be very careful, guys, please. You have to be very very careful when you are doing this particular side, as in when you get to the front, you have to be careful. So, and the first one, you need to tie it very well. It's very very important. So now when you finish sewing the hair, so this is the closing part, because we're not using closure and we're not doing it center part. Can you see the way I'm closing it? Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So after, when you're done with the fixing, you take one, you start, as in the closing aspects. Can you see what I'm doing? Just watch it carefully, you understand what I'm doing here. Can you see? Make sure the closing is neat. Make sure the closing is neat. So when you're done with the closing, you apply any of your oil. So this particular, I'm using pink oil to make it lap very well and to make it look sleek. So after, when you're done with the applying any of your cream, you go ahead and you brush the hair very well. You brush it very well with your big comb, and then you use your small comb again, just to make sure the hair sleek very well the way you want it, since we are not trimming the hair. And we are done with our fixing, guys. This is the final look of the hair. Can you see? So we're not trimming it. This is how she wants it to be. She doesn't want it trimmed. She wants a little coil at the tip, as you can see. Then you go to the back and you trim the coiling parts a little bit, and that's all about fixing this hair. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a very big thumbs up if you loved the video, and if the video is helpful. You can also share to your friends and family, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.